Hi guys, some of you have asked how much those little 65-foot cameras that we sell in our 4-camera kit, how much they cover. So I'm going to show you 4 examples. These examples, these pens here are 10 foot wide by 12 foot long. And the last camera is a little bit more than that, but it's also a lower ceiling height. These first 3, the ceiling height is anywhere between 10 and 12 feet. So here we go. Here's example number 1. Example number 2, you can see it covers 2 pens. Example number 3. And number 4. This one's a little bit longer, but the ceiling height's a lot lower. So there you have it, what our little 4-camera kit can cover.